In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or enable recurring journal in Zoho Books. If you regularly post the same journal entries every month, week, or quarter, using recurring journals can save you a lot of time and help keep your accounts accurate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find this option and how to turn it on, so that it's ready whenever you need it. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the shortcut to your settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where all of your account configuration lives, including the preferences we need to adjust for recurring journals. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see a list or menu of different sections. What we're looking for is the General section, which usually appears near the top of the settings options. Click on General. This area controls the broad behavior of your Zoho Books account, such as basic preferences and features that apply across your organization. After you've opened the General section, look for a subsection or link labeled Preferences. This is where Zoho Books lets you fine-tune how different modules behave, including invoices, bills, and finally, in our case, is journals. Within Preferences, you should see an option called Recurring Journal. Click on Recurring Journal to open its settings. Here, you'll be able to show or enable the Recurring Journal feature. Depending on your current setup, you might see a checkbox or toggle that allows you to activate this option. Make sure it is turned on or checked so that the Recurring Journal module becomes visible and usable in your account. If there are any additional options here, such as default behaviors or formats, review them and adjust as needed based on how often you plan to use recurring entries and what kind of information you typically include. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save. Look for a Save or Save Changes button, usually at the bottom of the page, and click it. After saving, your recurring journal feature should now be enabled and accessible from the Journals or Accounting section of Zoho Books. That's all you need to do to show or enable recurring